Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you something that I created for one of my best friend's daughter's birthday. She's having a unicorn themed birthday party, and I obviously jumped on it when she asked me to help. I had gone through the web and I tried to look for things, and I don't know, there's so much unicorn, but I wasn't really impressed with the party favors or the wands, so I just decided to do it myself. And this is what I came up with. I just want to tell you guys how I did it. It was so easy. It's just a little time consuming, but it really isn't that bad. They're just confetti sticks. And I actually got these from Target. And this is what I did with this was I took two doilies that were 3 inches and I glued them together. I just want to show you what that looks like. So these are just 2 examples of colors that I took, and I sort of, sorry, this camera view is just not great, but I glued that together onto the stick, so I made like a kind of like an oval appearance. This unicorn was a die cut that I have, so I use that. You can obviously use anything. I mean, this doesn't have to be just for unicorn wand. It could be fairy, whatever it is that your theme is going to be. And then I just have a nice pretty paper flower on there. And I just put some ribbon on. And I had kind of been tying this around the tube and it was falling. It just really getting aggravating, so I just tied it and then glued it that way instead. It just seemed like it was easier because then I just made all these and then tied it on. But I thought they came out so pretty. I just this one I'm still working on. I did it in gold and this mint, because her colors are going to be the gold, the mint, the pink, and purple. So I thought they were so pretty and I wanted to share that. Okay, and then I had a small haul, very small, I just wanted to show. After I just put these so I don't ruin them, they have to go in the mail. That's the only struggle I'm worried about, is the mail portion. But actually this was one of the things that I got. It's this beautiful gift bag from TJ Maxx, and I had to add more of this paper. In my last video I showed the glitter paper. Well, I just knew that wasn't going to be enough. It never is, right? When you become obsessed with a product, you just get it, especially at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, because once it's gone, it's gone. You're never going to get it again. And then I got some of this because my niece's birthday, and one of my nieces is going away to college. But my little niece, you know, she's obsessed with cats, mermaids, unicorns. How cute, right? There's another gift bag. And then this is so pretty, mermaid one. I'll save that for someone else. I know the other 2 are taken. This was a gift wrap. Kind of remind me of shabby chic. Sorry, not shaggy, shabby. A mermaid one. It's a little iridescent. These were $2.99 at Marshalls or Home Goods. And then I'm from Florida. I grew up there, so I had to get these. This kind of reminds me of Florida in the 80s, and I grew up in the 80s, so I had to get that too. But other than that, that is just a small haul I wanted to show you. But I really want to show you the unicorn ones, to show you how easy it is to make. My next video, actually, because I know some of you wanted to know how to do these, but my next video, I'm doing the mermaid envelopes. I had said I was going to do this video a long time ago, and I never did it. So probably maybe next week. I'm going away, but I'm going to try and upload that video. Anyway, sorry this was short. I just wanted to show that real quick, and thank you for watching.